Hi, I'm Federico from Viscent, and today I want to talk to you about the truly endless tooth belts, EXTRAFLEX. EXTRAFLEX are truly endless tooth belts without cable interruption, and being produced in the TV10 pitch, they can reduce the minimum wrapping diameter and drawback pulleys up to 15mm in diameter. They're produced in thermoplastic polyurethane with steel, kevlar or stainless steel strands. They can also be produced under the F.D.A. food requirements complying with the M.O.C.A. regulations. Advantages: the particular V-shape of the tooth also allows to reduce the back bending limits up to 25mm in diameter based on the shore hardness of the polymer and the type of cable with which they are realised. They can be equipped with Visblocks, mechanical dowels, by using our Viscent fake teeth. It is also possible to execute the Vision TEF polyurethane dowels welding, also designed to be able to wrap on small diameter smooth driven rollers. It is possible to partialise the driving cables, preventing them to exit from the sides of the tooth belt during the working cycle. EXTRAFLEX is also available in the open-end version, on which we can realise customised welded ring junctions according to customers' requirements. Fields of application: the EXTRAFLEX belts are used mainly on the synchronous transportation in the packaging, food, pharmaceutical, beverage industry and in all industrial sectors where the conveying system dimensions and the valve area between the different conveyors need to be reduced. For more information, you can visit our website, Viscent IT. Thank you and see you soon.